Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. If you would like to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. First step I'm going to take is to lift Liam's hair out of the way. And I'm going to start with my clippers with the guards open and kind of go about the shape of the head as you can see here. Now I'm going to blend the sides with the back. Now that I've reached the top, I'm going to comb everything straight back in order to blend it with the rest of the haircut. Now that we're at the top, I'm just going to blend, point cut the ends. I'm not going to cut into the shape that I've already got going on here, where it's short in the back and long in the front, and just make it a little bit more blended and not so blunt and harsh. Just going to point cut the top to add a little bit more texture so it's not one length, as you can see here. I'm also going to point cut the front to make everything nice and even so it's not jagged and uneven. Now that we reached the beard, I'm going to cut the beard along his lip because I think it's too long and you can barely see anything. So that's what I'm going to do here, and I'm going to try to shorten the sides where it makes it more, I think, more appeasing to the eye when you see it in a not so fluffy state. So right here, I'm going to just continue to try to blend the sides, kind of taper it a little bit shorter, and make it look a little bit more neater. And as you can see, I'm using my comb as a guide to make sure I'm getting a nice precise line. Okay, it was looking a little blocky, so what I had to do is go back in and taper the edges so it's more blended. Okay, I'm just going to give Liam his lineup, and here's the completed look wet. Just going to blow dry his hair, and then we get to see the finished style of that. I'm now curling the hair, and after this I'm going to go ahead and put some pomade in to kind of give it more structure and hairspray. And here's the finished results. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.